Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. Ito yung history guys ni Manuel L. Quezon from 1878 hanggang 1944. Filipino statesman, president 1935 hanggang 1944. He followed Emilio Aguinaldo in the Philippines wars against Spain and the United States of America 1896 hanggang 1901. Later served in the Philippines Assembly and became resident commissioner for the Philippines in Washington 1909 hanggang 1916. His successful conduct in his post made him a national hero, and he was elevated to the office of President of the Philippines Senate. In 1935, he became the first president of the newly constituted Philippine Commonwealth and ruled his country dictatorially until forced into exile by Japanese invasion in 1942. He headed a government in exile in the United States of America until his death and was succeeded by his vice president Sergio Osmeña. And he was died of tuberculosis in Saranac Lake, New York during his exile at the age of 65. 1878 hanggang 1944, and he was also speak Tagalog, Spanish, and later in life is English. At ito yung pictures niya guys ni Manuel L. Quezon. Merong date na 2020, 20 pesos na high mint mark. Ang year niya is Philippines period Republic 1946 ang date. Yung type, standard circulation coin. Value, 20 pesos or 20 peso. Currency, piso. 1967 ang date. Composition by metallic. Nickel plated steel center and bronze plated steel ang ring. May timbang siya na 11.5 grams at ang kanyang diameter is 30 mm. Ang thickness is 2.2 mm. Ang shape niya is round. Ang technique is mild. Ang orientation, middle alignment. Number 187353. Kanyang reference number is KM number 313. Series New Generation. Ito yung obverse niya guys. Bust of Manuel L. Quezon. Facing front, right at left. Denomination at right. Mayroon siyang script na Latin. At mayroon naka lettering na Republika ng Pilipinas. Manuel L. Quezon, 20 peso 2020. PI Edge 2. Ito yung mayroong high mint mark guys, high mint mark ito. Translation, Republic of the Philippines. Ang designer niya Julio Cesar Moraga. Ito rin yung reverse niya guys, Nilad Saipipura Hydrophyllaceae at left, Bank Cell above, Malacanang Palace at right. Mayroon siyang script na Latin, referensya na Nilad Bangko Sentral. Script Latin, lettering Nilad Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Translation, Central Bank of the Philippines. Designer si Julio Cesar Moraga. Edge plain with text. Mayroon siyang text na BSP. Script Latin, may lettering siya na BSP. An average legend, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Translation, Central Bank of the Philippines. Meant, BSP Security Plant Complex, PI Quezon City, Philippines. 1975 ang date. So kanyang 2021 guys page, PI Edge 1, may 10% na nilabas at ang uncirculated niya is 130 pesos. Ang PI Edge 2 high mint mark 9% lang at walang presyo. At ang Edge 2 na low mint mark 12%, wala ding presyo. Edge 3, 59%. May extra fine siya na 64. About uncirculated is 64 din. And uncirculated is 140 pesos. Ang Edge 4, 3% lang. At walang presyo siya guys. So meron din siyang presyo guys na 123,000 pesos na nakadisplay doon sa carousel guys, sa selling platform natin ang kanyang presyo ng galing. So kung meron din kayong mga rare coins guys, tulad nito guys, pwede niyo i-selling din sa Lazada, carousel or sa eBay. Kayo nang bahala maglagay ng presyo guys. Meron na naman kayong reference guys doon sa carousel na pwede rin kayong gumagaya doon ng presyo basta maganda rin yung mga error na yung coins niyo guys. So hanggang dito lang guys, at maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa aking bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. God bless atin lahat.